Greg from Harvey Woods, and we're just out here right now, right outside of town, putting in a solar install. If you had any questions, I'd be more than happy to help you. I mean, I'm right here on Facebook. So right here, we're just putting in all of our marks, making sure everything's good so we can put in the racking for tomorrow. So yesterday, we marked out the roof, made sure that all of our rafters were located in the right spot so we can put in our racking system. So what we have here is the IronRidge Aire Racking system. It's lightweight on the roof, very durable, survives New England. I'm going to show you exactly what happens on the roof and how these flashings, and you should use flashings, should be properly installed on your roof. First thing we do is we grab our flashing, we make sure that we have a nice choke point or nice drill point right here. And of course, every single thing needs a nice little dollop of roof glue right there on the penetration, just like that. Looks perfect. Goofy stuff, don't get it on your hands because it's not coming off. Then what we're gonna do is when we've located where we're gonna insert our flashing, and you can use a roof bar or something like that to get under the shingles. Just make sure not to damage the homeowner's shingles. And what we do is we're gonna slide up our flashing into the point. It's nice and flush with the mason line that we put, is you're gonna feel a little bit of pushback from the rafter. That's when we know that we're not just hitting plywood. Just like that. That is how the racking goes in for an all-star energy system from Harvey Woods. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, feel free to go into the comment section. Hope everybody's having a great day. Stay shining.
Astronauts report it feels good.